welcome to our first weekly vlog. So, for this week, we'll be sharing to you our progress on our chosen project, which is the dormitory management system using C++ and object-oriented programming. So, in this vlog, we'll be sharing to you our brainstorming process, how we come up on choosing this project, and our initial plans for developing the system. So, stay tuned, guys.
At the beginning of the week, nag-brainstorm kami ng different ideas for our OOP project. Some of the system we considered were the vehicle rental management system, library management system, and dormitory management system. After namin i-compare yung complexity and features ng bawat project, nag-decide kami na piliin yung dormitory management system dahil mas simple siya and easier to implement using only 3 classes in C++. We also considered the coding difficulty, required features, and the overall scope of the project before finalizing our decision.
So, after brainstorming different ideas for our project, we officially decided to create a dormitory management system. We chose this project because it is practical, organized, and fits our beginner level knowledge in object-oriented programming. Instead of using manual record keeping, our system will help manage student records and room assignments digitally. The system will allow users to add student information, assign rooms, check room availability, and store records using file handling. After choosing this project, we started planning the main features of the system. These include student registration, room assignment, checking occupied rooms, displaying record dormitory records, saving data into a text file, and also using exception handling for errors. We also researched file handling, exception handling in C++ so we can make the system more functional and realistic.
I'm in charge of the designing the program. During the design phase, the structure of the program was carefully planned to make the system more organized and easier to manage. Since the requirement was to use only 3 classes, which is one of it was the student class, it is responsible for storing and managing student-related information such as student's ID and name and about the students detailed. The room class is designed to handle room-related information and also their functions. Those are the 2 classes. And the third one is the dormitory management class. It serves as the main controller of the program. Which basically handles the overall operation of the systems, such as connecting student data with room data, processing assignments, and also managing the programs.
At dito nagtatapos ang aming presentasyon ng dormitory management system gamit ang C++ at object-oriented programming. Sa pamamagitan ng proyektong ito, natutunan namin kung paano malalapat ang mga konsepto ng OOP tulad ng mga klase, object, encapsulation, inheritance, at polymorphism upang lumikha ng isang mahusay at organisadong solusyon sa pamamahala ng dormitory. Umaasa kami na makakatulong ang sistemang ito na gawaing simple at pamamahalan ng mga nangungupahan, kwarto at mga pagbabayad habang pinabubuti ang katumpakan at produktibidad. Yan lamang ang para sa aming lingguang vlog. Salamat sa panonood!